What's up, YouTube? We're here with the brand new 2018 MacBook Pro. This right here is the 512 gigabyte model with the 6-core i7. It also features the T2 chip, DDR4 memory, and the True Tone display. Another nice update with this model is the new third generation Butterfly keyboard, which we will be taking a look at in just a minute. As you can see, the keyboard on the older model, which is on the right side, makes a clicking noise when you press the keys, whereas you only hear the key bottoming out on the new model. I guess you could sort of say this is somewhat like a comparison between the Cherry MX Brown and the Cherry MX Red keys, where the brown would be on the older keyboard and the red would be on the newer one. It is a much more satisfying experience typing on the new keys, though, I will say that. The only gripe I have with the 2018 MacBook Pro is that for some reason Apple isn't allowing you to upgrade to the beta of OS X 10.14 Mojave. Other than that, I think it's a fantastic laptop and was personally worth the upgrade for me from the 2017.